I'm Ludwig Hammarberg from Rutgerson Marine, and I'm going to show how to use our new snatch block. This snatch block is only 3 parts. It's one low friction ring, one composite piece, and the Dyneema loop shackle. The Dyneema loop shackle is open like that, and the block is open like this. Then you can clip it onto a rope, and close the block again, and then fix it to the boat. And then it spins really easy with very low friction.